This is a major area of previous support and resistance. Looking to the left, it's a whole number. It was a range. This was the range previously. So again, on a USD Swissy, between March, at the start of the COVID crisis, and May, you could have shorted every time, and this is what we were doing at the time, was looking to short at the top. You would be looking to short up here, you put your stop there, and this was going 180 pips each time. So that is a really good example of a range. That is a lot more interesting to take though than this, because here you don't have multiple reasons for the stop. Yes, it kept bouncing off it, but it went through here and it went through there. But there was the kind of setup that you want to be looking for. And then you are looking at the potential reward against the risk again. So risk 40 for potential 180. So it's 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. New Zealand dollar, again, at the moment you look at this, okay, we say this is now in a range. This is on the daily. It is bouncing from 6,400 and it is bouncing up to 6,500. 6,400, you put your stop under the 55 EMA, it's 30 pips away, it's 3 to 1 gain, 4 to 1 gain. Again, this is more interesting for the long than the short, in that you've got a big area for your stop.
Please like and share this video, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel for lots more great content.